V-Mart Ego is headquartered in California, USA, mainly engaged in cross-border e-commerce. At the same time, it provides basic services in the cross-border supply chain, as well as brand-based intelligent cross-border operation system development research. V-Mart Ego sets up sites and trade relations in many countries around the world. In 2010, we cooperated with iBattery to start research and development of cordless power tools, taking the construction industry as the market, created its own brand and named it Enegitech. Enegitech stands for Energy and Technology, hopes to use the power of technology to improve the efficiency of construction workers and help them to spend more time with their families. It is this belief that inspires Enegitech to continue to create and break through. Since Enegitech was founded, it has developed a series of power tools for construction workers. 12-volt impact drill, 18-volt impact driver, 18-volt impact wrench, 18-volt brad nailer stapler, 18-volt water gun, garden tools, etc. Aim to build a tool brand exclusive to builders. Performance motor, environmentally friendly materials, compact design. Let Enegitech products quickly stand out in the same industry. In the future, Enegitech hopes to make the work of more builders less heavy and make life more happy. Tools belonging to the builders.